All right, sports fans. We're at the other 125 rod shop, and we're gonna do our chain here. See something here. See, here's what I'm talking about. I don't like that at all. That's not good for me. Now she was at the shop for the 600-mile deal, but all I'm sure they did was change the oil. They didn't probably tighten the chain, and it's now 1,400 miles. So we're gonna do the deal. First thing I do is take off my muffler there. It's still hot, so I gotta wait a little bit here. Okay, muffler is off. Now I gotta loosen that nut right there. Okay, nut is loose now on each side. I just gotta undo the lock nuts and go from there. Okay, I went about a half a turn on both of them. And that's probably good. I'm not going to risk going anymore. We'll put the lock nuts back on, tighten her up, and put the muffler back on.